Hey guys, it's Felicia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing Sunmi's new song, Siren. It's such a good song and I'm really excited and I've learned it and I will be teaching you guys how to dance to the chorus. So don't forget that you can always stop, repeat, take your time and learn this chorus, and this video will be mirrored so you just follow right along. Alrighty, without further ado, let's get started. So a good intro into the chorus is, we'll start, Sunmi does this 4 count, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So it's just kind of laying, kind of arch backwards. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th one, you let your arms go. And so this is the intro to the chorus. Now afterwards, we'll have your feet shoulders width apart, your hand out like this, and just point. Now, the next move we're going to do, you're going to kind of lean to the left, and notice how my legs kind of doing this. Yeah, that's what we want to do. So we're leaning, and this is kind of a little bit more wide to the left. So we're going 1, 2, 3. As we're leaning, we are turning to the right. So we go, so she says, get out of my, when she says face, we're gonna go, use our left hand and turn our face back to the audience. So again, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, point, go turn, 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 face. And once it's face, turn to the front. So once we do face, we clap. So we clap up to the left. So we clap up. And at the same time we clap, we lift our right leg up. So we hear face, and then we hit and oof, hit the wall. Okay, so we hit face, and then we clap, and then we quickly do a we swoop our hands up, so it's left, right. Notice how my body kind of moves with my arms, and so left, right. So again, you're here, face, clap up, left, right. From here we go right, left, and notice from here my hands were in a fist, and now my hands, I'm letting them go and I'm hitting off like this. So we come up and then we go right, left. So after you go right, left, bring your right leg in, and now my right arm, my palm is facing towards the ceiling, and then my left arm, left hand is facing down. So she goes, so then here we go. We move to the left like this, 1, 2. It's 1, 2, okay? So 1, 2. Then we switch and do 1 here. 1, so left, left, right. Remember, this is facing palms up. This is facing palms down. We go left, left, switch, right. But it's a really fast switch, so tut, 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 okay? So after we go left, left, right, from here, we bring it into a fist like we're crying, and then we go left, left, right. So in a little faster motion, all together, we go left, right, left, left, right. So after we finish the section, it's left, left, right, left, left, right. And then when she says na, we point again, but this time, instead of jumping out and point, we are going to do this kick. So my left foot slides in, my right foot kicks up and plants. Okay? So again, go left, left, right, left, left, right, and then kick. And then we're going to turn counterclockwise. So from here, we turn counterclockwise, and then bring your left arm up right here, and then like that. So my left, again, we're back, we just turned from here, and then bring your left arm up like this, back behind your head, and then another face. My hand is open, and I'm facing to the right. So from here, it's basically the same thing that we just learned. So we clap to the left, and we bring our right foot forward. So I'll show you. We come here. Again, we're here. I step, pivot, and counterclockwise again here. After we click here, it's left, right, like we just learned. Then right, left. Bring it right foot in here. Left, left, right, left, left, right. So this time on the na, instead of pointing, so we just came from here, right? So we just did left, left, right, left, left, right. On the na, we kind of do a shoulder width apart step, and then we come down, have our palms kind of on our knees, and we're in this position. So from here, you automatically, so it's a right, left, right. So when you're here, we move right, left, right, and then on the fourth beat, we're going to the left, but we're coming up. So we do a quick snap pop up to the left. My arms are on my hands are at my waist, kind of like backwards. It's not like this, more like I'm leaning back, if that makes sense. So here, my arms back here. We go right, left, right. On after the right, left, right, we step back with our right foot, so we're facing to the right, and then we hit up here once. So we hit one, and then we go down like this. So again, we come to the right. I'm facing to the right, and then we hit one up and go down like this. So kind of like a wave like this. After we do the wave, we face to the audience. We bring our arms together like we're pushing down, and at the same time we're coming down to our knees. And then I kind of like to do this head movement where we're kind of leaning to the left, and then we're in this position. So after we just did this to the left, now from here, if you want to get real specific, it goes right, left. So you kick the right one out first, then left. So at the same time, my arm does this twice. So we go 1 and 2. So notice kind of how I'm going when I'm going up. I'm moving right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So that is what my leg is doing. So after we do this 2 times, so right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. From here, we turn to the left, do a little head spin like this. So we're like crawling, and we do a head spin. Oh boy, my hair. So after we do a head spin, and then we come up, back to our knee position, and then slowly come back up and hit. And that is the chorus. And so that is the chorus. If you guys want to take your time, go through a few more times, or if you're ready, I will be doing a 75% speed and a full speed for you guys as well. So let's start out with the 75% speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And don't forget to check out my social media sites. My Instagram is felicia.covers, where I post a lot of my covers, and on Twitter, Felicia Tay _. Hope to see you guys there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!